everyone, and welcome back to another advent calendar unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Holland and Barrett Christmas 25 Days of Clean Beauty advent calendar. I'm really excited about this because Holland and Barrett stock a lot of beauty brands and skincare and wellness brands that I really like and adore, and the fact that this is kind of clean beauty orientated and contains brands that are trying to be more sustainable and really good for your skin, I just think it's a really great thing. It's the first I've seen of this kind of beauty advent calendar. So before we get into unboxing, I should say that if you don't want to know what's inside, don't watch the rest of this video. Bye! It is worth £45, which is actually one of the most affordable beauty advent calendars I've seen this year. It contains over £170 worth of product. £45 is such a great bargain and a great way to try and discover some new brands that you might not have necessarily tried or heard of before. So I'm going to open it up here. It looks like this. Something I should say is that I really like how it goes up to day 25, Christmas Day. I've said this before, but I always get kind of sad when they end on Christmas Eve because I'm like, well, Christmas isn't over yet. Here is number one. When I move this, is it all going to collapse? Oh, no, but it will do. So let's get started. An eye cream from a brand called Upcircle. It has caffeine and hyaluronic acid to hydrate and plump your under eyes. I've definitely seen this brand before, but I haven't tried anything from them, so I'm really looking forward to trying that. It has a little pump. Oh, I like the packaging a lot. It's kind of glass. And it is worth £14.99. Looking forward to giving that a go. Day number 2. Oh, they're all gonna collapse. So in day number 2 we have a Fushi really good hair oil. Oh, I love a hair oil. I'm a sucker for them. I like to use them whenever I wash my hair, just to run through my ends to keep it nice and soft. I haven't put any on today actually, so I could do with this. I haven't heard of this brand before, Fushi. Oh, but it smells amazing. Day number 3, Sukin Super Greens Detoxifying Facial Scrub. This is for normal to dry skin types. Sukin is a brand I've heard of or might have seen in Holland and Barrett before. Natural, Australian, and I do love a facial scrub. Oh, this is already getting ruined. I should have photographed it beforehand. In day number 4, are amazing, one of my favourite skincare products. This is from Ren. This is their Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. This is one of my favourite facial exfoliators, acid liquid exfoliators. It's super gentle on the skin. It doesn't cause any kind of irritation, but it really brightens your skin and just plumps it and just makes it more beautiful, basically. I really like this. I like to get into habit of using it as often as I can. 5. Ooh, I have to lay this down because they're all going to fall out. Oh my god. In day number 5 we have a miniature wet brush. This is the Go Green Mini Detangler. 45% less breakage, 55% less effort, 100% happier hair. I'm a big fan of wet brush. The fact this is a mini just makes it so cute. I love that. Oh, I can tell I'm going to be a big fan of this. Again, perfect for travelling with. Day number 6, we have a Natura Siberica hand cream. I haven't heard of this brand before. I have a feeling it's going to smell great. Vegan and eco-cert certified. The cosmetics of wild herbs and flowers. So always love a hand cream for my desk when I'm working throughout the day. Day number 7 is really heavy. Oh my god, it's a candle. I love candles. This is by AromaWorks. It is the light petitgrain and lavender fragrance. Oh, it smells amazing. Soy wax, 100% natural home fragrance. Love that. This advent calendar has got stuff that I'm actually gonna use and get a lot of use out of, so I'm loving it so far. This is the Weleda 24-hour hydrating facial lotion. This is for normal to combination skin. It sinks in really quickly. I love Weleda. I haven't used them in a really long time, but I used to love their body oils. They're just really good at skincare, very natural, certified organic, sourced ethically and sustainably. Number 9 is huge and heavy. This feels like it could be a full-size product. Oh nice. This is that rain. Oh no, the rain, guys. Sorry. I hope that's not too loud. I'm going to continue. This is a full-size Dr. Organic Guava Refreshing and Exotic Body Wash. Can you hear me? Oh, that smells amazing. Very sweet and fruity. Love that. In day number 10, we have an Eden Perfumes Portobello fragrance sample. This is the best vegan perfume company winners 4 years in a row. I'm a huge perfume fanatic and I love a little sample. Let's, oh yeah, that's really nice. Wow, I really like that. I can't tell you what's in it. Sweet, vanilla-y, but also a little bit musky, but also fruity. I really like that. In day number 11, we have a Q&A Apple AHA exfoliating gel. Awesome. I haven't heard of this brand before, but I love the branding of it, and I love an exfoliating gel as well. I wonder if you wash this off. Thin and even layer to clean dry skin, massage into the skin for 20 to 30 seconds and rinse thoroughly with water. Can't wait to give that a go. In day number 12, we have some H&B Holland and Barrett tweezers. I'm in desperate need of some new tweezers, so this has come at a perfect time. 13, we have a 100% natural origin Faith in Nature Dragon Fruit shampoo bar. Cool. I haven't used a shampoo bar in about 6 years. I found they always dried my hair out a little bit too much, but I did have bleached hair back then, so this might be a good time to retry a shampoo bar. Guys, I keep getting whiffs of that perfume and it's so nice. I really like it. I'd be interested in trying some other fragrances from Eden. Oh, now the sun's out. Would you believe that? In day number 14, we have Ayumi turmeric and bergamot face mask, dermatologically tested, vegan, cruelty free, all that good stuff. In day number 15, we have an Ecodenta super toothpaste. Cool. I've never got toothpaste in an advent calendar before, but it's something that you need to buy all the time. You can't go without, so I'm really happy about that. Vegan friendly, certified organic, multifunctional. It's got hemp seed oil, fights plaque. I do love Holland and Barrett, guys. They've got some great brands in there, haven't they? In day number 16, we have, I haven't heard of this brand before. This is called Oleus, 100% natural, cold pressed jojoba oil. Natural daily support for dry, rough hair and skin. This is like a multi-use product, like such an amazing ingredient. I used to use it loads when I was a teenager. But yeah, you can use it on your elbows, your cuticles, your hair, your body. I get eczema and I feel like this would definitely help with it. So I'm going to give that a go. This looks like it's full size as well, and it comes in a little pipette system, which I like. In day number 17, oh cute! This is a Psychic Sisters little face roller. Oh my god, that feels so nice and soothing and relaxing. You can keep these like in the fridge, so you can use them when they're nice and cold, and you can use them to like massage your facial oil or serum or moisturizer in. Oh yeah, that feels so nice. In day number 18, we have an I Love Naturals Tonka Bean and Myrrh body wash. I love the I Love range. Use their shower gel, recyclable bottle. Oh, I thought it'd be a little bit stronger than that, but it's a very subtle fragrance. Maybe the smell will come out a little bit more when you're actually in the shower, but I'm really looking forward to trying that. Again, a perfect travel size shower gel. Day number 19, we have a glass nail file. Hate the plastic or like paper nail files. The glass ones are so much better. They last longer. They're better for your nails. We haven't got very many left. This is your 5 product countdown. Day number 20, we have a Disciple balancing mist. I love a face mist. Hormone and skin balancing geranium water with healing, protecting and copper. Perfect for long flights and late nights. Can be used as a toner, makeup refresher or anytime pick me up. Really love the sound of that. I'm a big fan. Oh yeah, it smells amazing. Of face mists for waking me up when I'm feeling a little bit sluggish, as a toner as well. I am so impressed with this box so far. This is like up there as one of my favourites this year, I think. I'm like really loving everything that's in it, and just excited to try some cruelty-free sustainable brands that I hadn't heard of before. In day number 21 is a eco multitasking brush that looks super soft, compostable, recyclable, biodegradable. All makeup brushes should be like that. In day number 22, we have a Dr. Paw Scrub and Nourish Lip Sugar Scrub. So, oh, Stop it. Getting way too excited about a lip balm. So in one side you have the Dr. Paw lip balm, and in the other side you have the lip scrub. That is genius. Day number 23. We have a Holland and Barrett face wash with aloe vera and cucumber extract, 100% vegan, against animal cruelty, dermatologically tested. Day number 24. Oh cute, a sleep better pillow mist from a brand called Tisserand Aromatherapy. This is jasmine, sandalwood and lavender. I love a pillow mist. If you watch my Glossy Box advent calendar you will know that. Oh, very nice, very subtle. And finally, in day number 25, oh, what is this? It's an Evolve Organic Beauty Bioretinol Gold Mask for all skin types. Is it going to be gold? Whoa! Whoa! That's gold, all right. Awesome. I'm guessing that's super expensive. A brand I hadn't heard of before, but again, they're vegan, 100% natural origin. I can't wait to try that. It says it's good for all skin types and it has some good ingredients in it too. Cool. I'm really impressed with this Holland and Barrett box. For £45, I think that's an amazing selection of products. Everything from accessories to body to hair, skincare. I think there's a really good mix here. Products that I'm most excited about is the wet brush, lip balm, probably the roller and the toothpaste. I'm really excited about the mist perfume, which I'm still getting whiffs of. It's really strong but really beautiful. I'm going to leave a link to this advent calendar down in the description box. Let me know what you think of it. Lots of love, guys. Mwah.